Welcome to our unboxing video of the Fast and Furious mini set. We just got a while ago from Walmart.
And then this safe has two more.
Two more minis? Fast and Furious mini?
No, I got 5 of them. Whoa.
Let's see. So the orange one here is the Toyota Supra. The black one is the Dodge Charger. And this is the Jeep Gladiator. And here we got the pickup truck. And the
Dom's Charger.
Dom's Charger. That's it. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, and plus we got a safe with a key. We'll lock it up. There we go.
So we'll save that. Then
here we got a blue
Nissan Skyline.
Fast and the Furious collectible. Look at that. See
has
that?
opening doors.
And the hood.
And the back.
Ooh.
This is the GTR. Is the Toyota Supra fully charged?
Let's check.
I think so. Should be. In a few hours.
The light come on?
Let me see.
Yes or no? Let it see.
In a few hours.
Yeah. See? How come it just blink and that's it? Where's the controller for?
It's inside the box. It's in a box here. Here you go. With the convertible cars inside. No?
I don't think this charger works, huh?
Should be working if it was charging.
How you know it was charging? Oh, maybe he had it on the whole time, that's why it's not working.
No, I'll turn it off.
What's going on with the Toyota Supra?
It's gonna charge. I'll let it charge some more, okay?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.